writes your motivational speech. Dear friends, life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes it can feel like everything is going wrong, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed and broken at times. But it's important to remember that we have the strength and resilience to overcome these challenges. When life breaks you, it's easy to feel defeated and lose hope. But it's important to take a step back and assess the situation. What can you learn from this experience? How can you grow and become a stronger person? It's important to surround yourself with positive people who support and encourage you. Seek out friends and family members who lift you up and inspire you to be your best self. Remember that you are not alone, and there are people who care about you and want to see you succeed. Take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Make time for self-care activities, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. When life breaks you, it's also important to keep a positive attitude. Remember that every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. Focus on the things that you can control, and don't get too caught up in the things that you can't. Stay hopeful, and keep your eyes on your goals and dreams. In conclusion, when life breaks you, don't give up. Take a step back, assess the situation, and focus on what you can do to grow and become stronger.